Hello guys, the Ulefone has officially launched the RugKing 5 Pro worldwide. It is a budget-friendly alternative to the Armor 24. The device focuses on extreme battery life, rugged durability and practical outdoor tools. With the affordable price, it's aimed at users who need reliability in tough conditions without spending too much. The biggest highlight is the massive 20,000 mAh battery with a 33-watt fast charging designed to deliver weeks of standby time. This is where the phone stands out the most. It includes a powerful LED camping light panel on the back, which can be used for camping, repairs or emergencies in low light, and there is also a night vision camera sensor for capturing images in complete darkness. The phone comes with the IP68 and IP69K ratings along with MIL STD 810H certifications. This ensures strong protection against dust, water and shocks. Its design, its clear focus on durability, making it suitable for rough environments where the standard smartphones may fall. The RugKing 5 Pro is coming soon to our YouTube channel to review, so stay tuned. Until then, bye.